Hey everyone! In this video, we'll discuss Exodus versus MetaMask wallet. Exodus wallet enhances security for users who want to store their assets offline. It is a closed source wallet, which may concern users prioritizing transparency and security. MetaMask, on the other hand, is a browser extension and mobile wallet focused on Ethereum and Ethereum-compatible blockchains. It is particularly popular among decentralized finance users and those interacting with blockchain-based applications such as NFTs and decentralized exchanges. MetaMask provides seamless integration with Web3 applications and supports advanced features like custom gas fees and token management. It is open source, enhancing transparency, but its focus on Ethereum limits support for other blockchains compared to Exodus. In summary, Exodus Wallet is a great option for beginners and those looking for a user-friendly multi-currency wallet, while MetaMask is better suited for advanced users engaged in the Ethereum-based ecosystem and decentralized finance applications. Thanks for watching this video.